Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm doing a pour. Oh, hold on one second, let me go check. My little table was moved a little bit. I think I moved you. Too bad. Today I'm doing a pour. This is on a 16 by 20 inch artist loft canvas. It's actually a black canvas, but I'm doing a split base, and I know it's not even, and I don't want it to be. For the base, for this part, the black, I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. This color here is, where did it go? Oh, it's some colors that I got from Menards. One of those, you know, you can get the clearance ones where they've pre-mixed it. So it's such a pretty color. So I'm really excited about this one. I'm just going to torch it here real quick to get some of the air bubbles out. And if you caught the intro, I did do my drawing today for my 500 subscriber giveaway. Becky Hardwick, she won first, so she gets first pick, and she picked the blue piece, and then Minot Petit, she gets the other piece. So I'm pretty excited. I'm happy for both of them. I do appreciate all of my subscribers. You guys are amazing. It was really fun. This is the first time I've done a giveaway, and we'll see how it goes. I had a lot of comments. I know that I do have a lot of subscribers that are not in the US, so I know that's probably why I only had like 11 people. But like I said in the giveaway, if you were in the US, I would ship for, you know, free. But if you were out of country, then I would have to charge for the shipping. So, which is understandable that, you know, you want to participate, when I don't blame you. And from what I understand, shipping to another country is kind of expensive. So, but I do appreciate everybody watching my videos, supporting my channels, commenting, saying all the nice sweet things that you guys say. It just means the world to me, and I just appreciate it so much. Alright, so I'm just going to have a little fun here with some colors. I have SoHo's Magenta. I have, got a mess over here, SoHo's Prussian Blue. Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. I have, no, I don't have that. I have Decoart's Pearl Peacock, and I hope I got that in the view there. Sorry about that. And then I have Decoart's Metallic Deep Sapphire. Beautiful, beautiful color. So I'm just gonna have some fun. I'm gonna kind of smear, but I don't necessarily have to be. I don't mind if it's not perfectly in there. So. there. And then I'm using Amsterdam titanium white for my Shmear color. I'm ordering some other Amsterdam paints, so I want to get some dark so that way I can maybe use some of the black oxide to smear with too. I just thought that would be a little bit fun to have some different shades to. I'm gonna get others besides just black too, so. But I thought it'd be fun to have some other colors besides white to do some smearing with. Pretty happy with this, actually. I'm probably gonna, have sped some of this up, so because I know I was kind of quiet in between, but I really think I really like this. Sorry, you guys, I did it wrong. Put it in. Look at that. Like, you see how cloudy that is? I just love that. I think that's so cool. Let's see Pink in her new dress. Isn't she so adorable? My sister got her that dress. Just look at that. I think it's beautiful. I love how this is so cloudy like that. And this looks like a cool butterfly type of something. I know butterflies don't normally have like this long piece here, but it's really cool. Look at that. I love how that white has that cloudy effect down there. That's really pretty. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I might do something with this. I don't like how it's kind of spread out. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I do appreciate everybody watching. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope everybody will like and subscribe and share. Helps my channel out tremendously. And yeah. I do thank everybody. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye. So real quick, I just took that blue spot, pulled a little white through there. It wasn't liking how that blue, how I spun it around, and then it kind of spread out, which I know metallics do that, so I need to start being more aware of that. But and yeah, other than that, oh yeah, I did put some white through there too. It was just like a big chunk of gold, but there it is. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks, y'all. Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me today on my channel. It's Friday the 23rd and I am doing my, sorry I look terrible because I wasn't planning on doing anything today, but I forgot that today is the big drawing day. So I have everything set up. I'm gonna do the random raffle picker, whatever. I'm gonna do that today for the 2 drawings. In the video that I posted the other day when I hit 500 subscribers, I just said if you wanted to be entered in the drawing, in the comments, make sure you put in 500 subscribers. And so actually we have 11 people. That's all right. And 2 paintings I'm going to give away. So whoever's name is picked first will get first pick, and then the second person will get the other one. They are, I think they're 11 by 16 or 12 by 16. I'll find out for sure, but here's one of them. I really like this one. I think this one's really pretty like that. This Peacock pearl is freaking amazing. And then the other one is this really cool one, which I really like this one too. It's got some cool cells and some amazing shimmer. They're both the same size though. So that being said, I'm gonna switch my camera around here to the computer. Maybe. It's not gonna let me. Okay, hold on 1 second. All right, so we're gonna start the raffle here, and I filtered out for duplicate comments. I filtered out so it has to have 500 subscribers in there. So, and there was 11. So here we go. Ooh, Becky Hardwick, you're the first winner. So you'll get, I'm just going to take a picture here because, you know, I'm not prepared. So Becky, she said, woohoo, congratulations on 500 subscribers. You do beautiful work. Thank you so much, Becky. I really appreciate it. Shoot me an email at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. It's in the description below all my videos. So you can shoot me an email there, and then we can kind of get in touch with each other, and you can let me know which one you want to pick. All right, so here we go for the second winner. Manon Petite. Oh-hoo. And she said, I'm so happy for you, dear Amy. 500 subscribers. Wow. Congrats, my friend. Well, congratulations, Manon. I appreciate you. She was the one who helped me try to build my confidence up to start to show my face. So I'll always have so much love for her. So I'm so excited for you guys. But I'm so excited for both of you. I do appreciate everybody who commented. Everybody, all my subscribers, I appreciate you all so much. I know I've said this before, but your comments, your support to my channel, it just means so much to me, because my channel has been really kind of a godsend for me, because it's kept me from being so depressed, which I get into because I'm, you know, I lived alone for so long, and yeah, anyway, health issues and all that stuff, we don't even care. We're trying to celebrate here today. But so Manon and Becky, just let me know, email me, Amy's Creative Acrylics at gmail.com, or shoot me a message in Facebook chat, Messenger, whatever. But I appreciate everybody for supporting and getting me to 500. I will mail these out as soon as I hear back from Becky to find out who gets which one. But yeah, but thanks again, everybody. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Yeah, I love all my subscribers. I have so many that are such, like, they're just always there for my videos, and I appreciate you guys, every single one of you. And all you new people, I'm sure I'll have more giveaways because I get too excited about hitting a certain subscriber number. So we'll see what happens next. Never know. Could be something else besides some paintings. Could be some coasters. It could be, I don't know. We'll see. But thanks again, everybody.